First step is to take your rotary hammer, or hammer and chisel will work fine too, and chisel out all the joints, loosen up the mortar so that we can get it out of there. I should also mention, this is a plugging chisel. This helps quite a bit for scraping the mortar out of horizontal bed joints. You're also going to want glasses. Okay, we broke up all of the old mortar. Some of it was in pretty good shape, some of it was just dirt. So depending on the condition of your mortar joints, it may be harder or easier to knock it out. So now I'm gonna vacuum all this stuff up and get it ready for the grinder. So this is what it looks like after chiseling. You can see there's still a bunch of stuff in there, but all of the surface mortar is chiseled out. So that's what we want, chiseled out and cleaned up. Now I'm going to take my angle grinder with a mortar rake bit and grind out all of the loose stuff that's remaining. When you're grinding, if you hit anything that feels particularly hard, don't try to grind it down. Just stop and take out your chisel and break it up, and then you can grind it out easier. I vacuumed everything, but there's still some loose stuff in there that the vacuum cleaner isn't getting. So this is where the plugging chisel comes in handy. So we vacuumed everything up. This is about where we want it. There's still some loose stuff in there, but because this is a horizontal surface, it's really tough to get everything out. But this is good enough for now. So we're gonna go mix some mortar and fill this in.